So every time you start up Toolbox, you notice you got those configurations that you're picking from, right? Well, in this video, I want to show you a little bit more about what those configurations are and how you can manage them inside of the software. You don't need to limit yourself working with just one data set. You can have multiple, so you can use maybe one of them as a sandbox and then the other one for your production data. So let's get into this next video and I'll show you a little bit more on managing your configurations. In the last video, we installed a clean data set, which means a brand new library with no projects, just all new products and subassemblies. Completely clean database. So that's what each configuration is. It's their own separate database. The latest and greatest is the one that we just installed, and I don't really need that one anymore since I already have a sandbox environment. Now, keep in mind, I am just working locally. I'm not on a server or anything. So my configurations only live on my PC. Show you what I mean when I mentioned that I'm working on just a local database here. Under the data access, you'll see here that we have the SQL CE, which is the compact edition. So that's what I'm selected on, which means that I'm just using my local machine to house this database. As we go into our managed configurations, we see the list here and we have the different options above. You can add a new configuration, and this allows you to pick from the current configurations that you have installed on your computer. What you'd want to do is find the correct application that you've installed. This one we're working on is Toolbox OEM 2023, and these are the configurations that you see in that list there. Now it's showing 22 because I still have that installed on my machine. Just make sure that you have the one that you're using if you want to add a new configuration. You can also rename, copy, and delete any configuration as well. Along with that, you have the option to export and import or create a brand new one from your default library. All we're going to do in this video is delete this one that we had created, latest and greatest. So it's removed from our list there. We're not able to select it in our current configuration dropdown. But there's one more step that we want to do before moving on. So even though it's gone from that list, if this is a configuration that you truly don't need anymore, the next step would be to go under the Help tab and browse to the factory data. Now this does take us just to this current configuration that we're in, so back up one folder into the common microrealm data. And now that you found the folder, the latest and greatest, you're going to want to make sure that you delete it from here as well. All right, so that'll do it for this one. I hope watching this video helped you out understanding a little bit more about configurations, and now you feel a little bit more comfortable in case you need to add a new one or set up your own testing environment. I'm RJ, and I'll catch you in our next one.